In this video, we're going to take a look at the Potensic A22 mini drone. It comes with a number of features that I'm going to test out and see how good this drone really is. But first, we're going to take a quick peek in the box and see what all comes with it. First, we have this user manual, which is very easy to read and understand, and it comes in multiple languages. You get a Phillips screwdriver for any type of maintenance on the drone, and you can use it to take the battery cover off the controller. It comes with a USB charger, and this one they sent me came with two 3.7 volt, 240 milliamp hour LiPo batteries. Here is the 2.4 gigahertz controller, and here is where you can use that Phillips head screwdriver to take the battery cover off to put the two AAA batteries that are not included. And last but not least, we get the A22 drone. So first thing I noticed right out of the gate is the plug is in a really bad spot, and it's kind of hard to get it to plug in. It took me a while till I could get it to plug in, but I finally did. And then after you tuck the battery in the compartment, you just flip the lid closed and then it locks. As you can see, there's LEDs shining through the top of the drone. That's where these stickers come into play. Now they have holiday stickers, they have Halloween and Christmas, but then they also have the Potensic logo. My boring self says, put the Potensic on. So there's only one thing left to do before we could take this for a flight, and that is charge up these batteries. Okay, so we are ready to fly the Potensic A22. Once again, plugging the battery in, like I said, is a little inconvenient. We got the battery in now, and then we're gonna shut the door. On the back right here is the power button, and I have to apologize for flying in the dark a little bit because I did scratch the lens on my GoPro, and if I look into the light, you can see it has like a little bit of like a flare or something, like a lens flare, whatever you want to call it. So I'm flying in like a little lower light just for better video quality, but you should be able to, I'll brighten it up when I edit it. For one, it does have the LED right here on the front, so you'll be able to see that. And then we have this up top, which if we're up here, we won't be able to see that, only if we're down here. So let's turn the controller on, and then we're gonna long press. There we go. So there is no up and down to bind, it just auto binds when you turn on the controller and the drone. See, we got the blue. Oh, and it changes to green. Does it go any other colors? Oh, and red. You see that? So we have blue, green, and red. Nice. So we are bound, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna orient the head forward, because that's gonna help us for headless mode. And then we're gonna calibrate it. So to calibrate it, all we do is down and out. So now the drone is calibrated, and the orientation is also calibrated as well. So now the controller knows that the head of the drone is facing that way. So there's two ways to take off. The first way is take these two sticks, down and in, and hold, and then you hit up. And that's how you take off. And then to land, you just come down and land it right like that. Now you can do it the other way. There's two ways. You can also hit the auto takeoff button, and it just takes off right like that. And then auto land brings it right down. There's one more landing feature. Let's take it up here, and we're gonna take it up above, because we are going to do an emergency stop. Here, let's trim it. Right here's the trim. So here is the forward and backward trim, and then the left and right trim. There we go, we got a good hover. Oh, and I didn't mention, it is altitude hold. So to do the emergency stop, you hold, I'm gonna get above me just so I can catch it. You hold the left and right stick in, and that shuts it off. So that's how you do the emergency landing. All right, let's try the other features, because we do have headless mode, which is this button right here I just pressed. So, yep, forward, backwards, headless mode is working like it should, which is awesome. I like when headless mode works like it should. Sometimes headless mode is just a mess on some of these drones. So let's press it again, and that takes us out of headless mode. So this does come with 3 speeds. Right now we're in the first speed. As you can see, the yaw is kind of slow, but let's hit this button right here. Here are the 2 beeps. The yaw picks up, and yeah, now we are going a little bit faster. Nice flyer in the 2nd rate, but there is a 3rd rate. So there's 3 beeps. Whoa, hey. So that wakes this thing up a little bit, and it is flying pretty good. Wow, pretty quick in the 3rd rate. So then we have flips. So we press the right stick in, and let's do a front flip. Hey, not a bad flip either. Let's do a back flip. Okay, let's do a roll to the right and then a roll to the left. And this thing flies really good. Not bad at all. Uh-oh. Oh no. I hit this air hose here. Okay, so there we are. We're back in the air. We did the flips, we did headless mode, and we did the 3 rates. So I am in the 3rd rate. So they also have this, it's called intelligent flight mode. It's for the left stick here. And, oh, trying to get in the screen here. So if you short press the left stick, this is called rotation mode. And wow, it just, oh, you see the prop guards help me there as I bounced off the garage door there. So yeah, you just hold it, short press on the left stick, and it just does that. And then you can short press to stop, or you can just hit like forward or any direction, and it'll take you out of this rotation mode. And then there's surround mode. Surround mode is a long press on the left stick, and this is surround mode right here. So all it does is just fly around in circles, and let's long press to get out of it. Or you can do the same, say you're in surround mode. Oh, now it's going the other way. So you can just hit like a direction, any direction. It'll take you out of that mode, and then you're back into normal flying. Look at these funnels in the 3rd rate. Nice tight funnel. This drone is really good, really good. I want to say thank you again to Potensic for sending me this drone to test out. I think you have a pretty good product, and I'm not being biased. You can see for yourself how well it flies. All the flight modes work pretty well, and I'm happy with this drone. So now we just have to see how long the battery's gonna last. But other than that, I am impressed with the drone. Let's see if I can go up over the, there we go. Can't do that too fast though. Well, let me try, let's see. Let's go a little faster. Oh yeah. This little drone, it zips around pretty good. Let's put it down here. We'll see that LED on top there changing colors. All right, let's do some flips because we all love flips. Cool. That rotation mode is kind of cool, how it just like yaws like that. And with the altitude hold, you don't really have to control it. You can have fun doing that. We'll stop that, and Just fly around some more. So far, I was just gonna say about so far the battery life is pretty good, and it actually is pretty good, but I just got low voltage detection, which is why that's flashing. So as usual with most drones, it won't let you flip. Oh, and that's it, it just died. But that is the flight of the Potensic A22, and I must say, very nice drone. So I will be putting this in for the March giveaway. Now I know it is only February right now. The February giveaway is my 6K giveaway, which is the WL Toys 124018. You can check that video out and get entered for that. All the way up until March 1st is when I do my live drawing for that 6K giveaway. So this is gonna go for the rest of February, and then all of March you can get yourself entered, and all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber from the US and then comment down below on this video, and that is your entry to get entered for a chance to win your very own A22. Now how my giveaways work is I do a monthly giveaway where I feature a few RCs, and I only give one of those RCs away. I don't give them all away, only one gets given away, but we don't know which one it's gonna be until I do my live drawing, which will be on April 1st, and then that's where we find out which RC is going to be the March giveaway, and then who wins it. If you didn't already, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be one of the first notified for when the next RC comes out that you can try and get yourself entered for. But thanks for watching, and good luck to everybody who enters the March giveaway. And I can't wait to see who wins the next Ready to Run RC.